Hi, so today I'm going to talk about the wealth and the career from your birth chart. How you will get to know which career you should choose as per the birth chart. So, step by step, I'm going to guide you. If you already have your Kundali, that's great. If you don't have your Kundali, then there is a very simple step you have to follow. You have to go on chalchakra.com. Link has already been shared here. And you have to go on the Kundali. From there, you can put your name, date of birth, time, and place. Kundali will be generated, and that is your Lagna Kundali. How you will see from which career you should choose so that you get the career success. Vedic astrology says if you work as per your birth chart, if you go as per your destiny written in the birth chart, you will get more career success as compared to the people who go against their birth chart or who go against the destiny. If you choose career as per your birth chart, then the possibility of you getting success will be more. If you go against your birth chart, then the possibility you may get less success or you may get less appreciation of your hard work. So now let's understand step by step. First, you have to download your Lagna chart. Second, you have to see where Taurus is mentioned on your birth chart or two number mentioned on your birth chart. Wherever the Taurus or the two number mentioned on your birth chart, that indicates from that area, from that part of life, you will be started getting the income. So you should start choosing the career option wherever the two number in the Taurus is written. Why we have to choose your career as per the Taurus being written in your birth chart? Because Taurus in astrology represent the zodiac sign that represent the incoming money, from where you are going to get the incoming money. So wherever the Taurus is mentioned in your birth chart, that represent if you are going to work in that part of area, you are going to get more success money wise. So let's say Taurus is mentioned on your Lagna, that is a Taurus Lagna people, then that means that you are going to earn self-made money. You will be owning your own business. As much as you are going to work on your own self, then you will be going to get good career success. So you may start a new business by your own. Anything which is connected to the Venus you can start, and as much as you are going to spend money on your own self, you are going to get the success. So maybe you may be in some career where you are presenting yourself, or you are a speaker, or you are into any field, like you can be a celebrity, or you can be an artist. So these all things you can choose, and the best is try to choose a career which is where you are going to present yourself. So you can be into any profile, like you can be into the sales, or you can be into the marketing, where you have a client, you are connecting to the client on the regular basis. Your face value matters a lot, your self branding will matter a lot. Remedy for the people who have a number 2 mentioned on the first house, that you should always cultivate self love. Do things that makes you happy. As much as you spend time on your own self and do things that makes you happy, you will notice that money will start coming on you. So make sure that these people should always be happy and choose the career that is your passion. If number 2 is mentioned on the number 2 house, that represent that the person can become a speaker, can work in a banking field, financial field, can have a restaurant, or even the family business. So these people can choose this type of career. Anything which is connected to speaking, where you're communicating something to someone, that type of career will best choose for you. So if you have a number 2 mentioned in your second house, that represent that make sure that you are doing fasting on the regular basis, and even this remedy is for everyone around. If you have any type of wealth related problem, career related problem, you have a scarcity of money, you are not able to attract money, or you are going through the hard days money wise, start doing fasting. Why to do fasting? Because Taurus is connected to the second house, which is connected to your food habits too. So eating habits and the food habits are seen from the second house. If you are doing fasting, Taurus is a fixed zodiac sign. That means the fixed karmas that you're carrying from the past life, that can only be resolved on the basis of tapasya. And the one of the best tapasya that you can do to cultivate, to get more abundance and the prosperity in your life, start doing fasting. So what is the best fasting you can do? The best fasting you can do for the money is you should start doing Ekadashi fasting. 24 Ekadashi comes every year. Out of that, at least 16 to 7 Ekadashi fasting you should do on the regular basis. Try to do Thursday fasting, and on the basis of the planet sitting in the second house, on the basis of that also you can choose a fasting. As much as you will choose do the fasting, like throughout the month, at least if you are doing 5 to 6 fasting in a month, you will notice gradually and slowly your finances will improve, because Taurus is connected to your money and the career, how much comfort and the wealth you have. And if you're doing fasting which is connected to your food habits too, this will be going to help you out to increase your wealth, especially for people who have a Taurus written in the second house. These people should also do fasting on the regular basis. This will help you out to improve their finances. And make sure that you are sacrificing anything which is connected to the food on the regular basis. This will also help you out to increase your luck money wise and the career wise. If 2 number Rashi Taurus is mentioned in your third house, then you should choose a career that is connected to the traveling, communication, speaker, singer, artist, or any type of skills like writing skills. You are communicating things to someone. These people can become a good speaker. They can earn through motivational speaking, or anything where you are singing, or you're through the communication you are earning the wealth. And even this is very good for people who are into traveling on the regular basis. You can do the career or the business with your sibling too. What remedies you should do? If you have a Taurus written in your third house, on the regular basis, daily you have to start your day, start your goals in the present tense with a gratitude in such a way that it has already been achieved, and you will notice gradually and slowly your finances will be going to increase. If four number in your fourth house, if the 2 number Rashi is mentioned, if the Taurus is mentioned in your fourth house, then you should start doing career which is connected to your home, like interior designing, construction, real estate, or like you are working from home, or anything which is connected to your domestic life. So where your career should start from the home, if you are going to start your career from the home, or you can choose a career which is connected to the home, like interior designing, real estate business, selling the houses. So this will be going to help you out to increase your income. The best remedy for the people who have a Taurus Rashi mentioned in their fourth house, make sure that you're keeping your house very clean. On the regular basis, you should pray to Goddess Lakshmi in the house, or do the Aarti of Goddess Lakshmi. This will help you out to increase your wealth. If Taurus is mentioned in your fifth house, 2 number Rashi mentioned in your fifth house, that represent that you can get the earnings through teaching, doing anything which is connected to the entertainment, joy. You are giving counseling to people, and even you can involve yourself into the spirituality or anything which is connected to the religious too. Or you can have your platform where you are helping people to meet for their love relationship, or you can work as a love counselor too. So these all career you can choose if you have a 2 number Rashi mentioned in the fifth house. The best for these people who have a Taurus mentioned in the fifth house, start sponsoring education for someone, or give free education to some people. Then this will be going to help you out to increase your wealth too. If Taurus is mentioned in your sixth house which is connected to your daily life problems, so there is a very high possibility these people should do the job on the regular basis. They can become a legal consultant, they can be in the healthcare field, or they can do something like helping people to get their money back. So anything which is connected to the daily service, it has been recommended. If the Taurus is mentioned in the sixth house, then these people can choose the service oriented company also, or even they can work for someone else. If in the seventh house of the 2 number Rashi being mentioned, that is Taurus, then these people can work with their partner. They can work as a trader, or as a like taking the commission after selling something. Or they can work for where they can arrange an event for the marriage, or they can be in a company like event management too. Even these people perform good when they are raise the funding through a group. Then also these type of career choose to them. If the in your eighth house, if the 2 number is mentioned, or the Taurus is mentioned in your eighth house, then occult science is a good career they can choose, or anything which is connected to like insurance, medical, healthcare. Or after the transformation, you are going to get a huge success. So first you are going to get a lot of problems and a lot of overall pain in your life, and after the transformation you will notice that through the pain you will can become a great astrologer too. If in the ninth house two number Rashi being mentioned, Taurus being mentioned, then these people can work for the MNC company, work away from their birthplace, and they can choose a career which is connected to the religious, spirituality, or anything which is connected to the dharma too. Giving education to someone, they can become a guru, they can do teaching also. So if the two number Rashi mentioned in your ninth house, then make sure that on the regular basis you're donating things to others and you're doing things which is connected to the dharma. If two number Rashi mentioned in your 10th house, then you should choose a career which is connected to the Venus. Like you can be a makeup artist, you can into a clothing industry, or you can start selling luxurious clothes or luxurious products too. If the two number mentioned in the 11th house, then you can do anything which is connected to the event management, where you are arranging an event for the social gathering, or like you are working for an NGO. If the two number zodiac sign is mentioned in your 12th house, then you can work for the healthcare industry, you can become a lifestyle coach, or you can work on the subconscious mind, or even you can work in a navy too. So these are the options that you can choose as per where the Taurus being mentioned. Most of the career I have already shared there, but still if you are into any career, you can mention me on the comment which type of career you are into and where the Taurus being mentioned. I can help you out if it is a right career for you or not. And if anything, any question which you have, you can ask me on the comment. I will be happy to answer that. Har Har Mahadev.